Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Daisy at ngayong araw ay share ko naman sa inyo ang step-by-step process sa pagkuha ng kopya ng PSA Marriage Certificate online with door-to-door delivery. Simulan natin ang process sa pagbukas ng ating browser at isearch ang PSA Serbilis. Ito ang homepage ng kanilang website and as we can see, marami tayong certificate na pwedeng kunin dito gaya ng birth, marriage at death certificate. Pati na rin ang Senomar at Senodet. Pero sa video ito ay magpo-focus muna tayo sa pagkuha ng marriage certificate. Click lang natin ang marriage certificate to begin. Under Terms and Condition, makikita natin ang details tulad ng fees, delivery guidelines, policies, at iba pa. For the fees, ang PSA Marriage Certificate ay may bayad na 330 pesos per copy kung door-to-door delivery at 155 pesos naman per copy kung personal mo itong kukunin sa PSA branch. Kapag nabasa mo na, check lang ang box to agree with the terms and condition and the data privacy notice, then click next to continue. After clicking next, mapupunta tayo sa part na ito kung saan kailangan nating sagutan ang dalawang tanong to continue. Una, may correction o pagbabago ba na ginawa sa marriage certificate na gusto mong kunin? Pangalawa, nakakuha ka na ba dati ng kopya ng marriage certificate mula sa PSA? Next is to fill out the request details. Ilagay ang complete name ng husband at ang maiden name ng wife o pangalan sa pagkadalaga, then enter the place and date of marriage, your relationship to the document owner, at ang purpose ng request mo. Click next, then double check and confirm kung tama ba lahat ng details ng kasal. Now let's proceed to the delivery details. Ilagay lang natin ang complete name ng requester, active email address kung saan ipapadala ng PSA ang confirmation at reference number ng iyong order, at ang iyong mobile number. Your order can be delivered door-to-door and you also have an option to pick it up sa LBC branch na pinakamalapit sa iyo. Ilagay ang iyong delivery or pickup details, then click next. Then on the next page, double check and confirm if the delivery or pickup details are correct. Next is the summary page. Dito natin makikita ang summary ng lahat ng information na nilagay mo sa previous steps. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure tama ang spelling ng names, date of marriage, at delivery details. Sa acknowledgement page naman, makikita natin ang quick overview ng ating request kasama na rin ang total amount due at ilang important reminders. Scroll down, then click Proceed to Payment to continue. Lastly, under payment, makikita natin lahat ng available payment channels. Piliin ang pinaka-convenient na method para sa iyo para mas madali ang transaction. In my case, GCash ang pinili kong payment method. I just scan the QR code to make a payment and that's it. In just a few seconds, nakatanggap na ako ng email mula sa PSA Serbilis containing my reference number. We'll be using this reference number para i-track ang ating order. Balik lang tayo sa PSA Serbilis website at sa top right corner, makikita natin ang check request status. I-paste lang natin ang reference number dito, then click go. Here, you'll see the status of your request. As we can see, even though the payment was already made, it was still tagged as waiting for payment. Pero after around 30 minutes, nakatanggap na ako ng another email confirming that my payment was received. Chinek ko ulit ang status using the website and in progress na siya. Makikita na rin natin dito kung kailan nabayaran ang request. From here, pwede mo nang i-monitor ang progress habang inaantay ang delivery. Usually, inaabot ng 3 to 7 working days bago ma-deliver ang document kung within Metro Manila at 7 to 10 working days naman para sa mga provinces. At ayun na nga, hintayin mo na lang ang delivery sa iyong bahay. Very convenient, diba? So, ganun lang kadali kumuha ng PSA Marriage Certificate online with door-to-door delivery. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!